guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to make a logo. And I honestly didn't have any inspiration on this logo that I've made. I literally just put something together and I loved it so much, and I hope you guys love it too. But before we get started with the video, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. And yeah, and get me to 100 subscribers, because I'm like literally one subscriber away from 100 subscribers. I'm probably already gonna have 100 subscribers by the time this video is uploaded. But thank you guys so much for all the love and support. I am trying to be back consistent, and if some of you guys are wondering why you can't get to my Instagram, it's because I changed the name. My YouTube name now is Visuals by Samaya on Instagram and on TikTok as well. And yeah, I'm gonna put it down in the description below. I'm sorry if you guys were confused, but yeah. So first things first, this is really simple and easy. It's not hard at all. All the apps you're gonna need is PicsArt, Fonto, and I think that's basically it. That's literally all you need. Like, that's all you need. So yeah, so let's get into the video. So first things first, what we're gonna do is go to Fonto. Yeah, let's go to Fonto. And what you want to do, so we only need like 2 fonts for this one. So you need to go on PicsArt and download a transparent backgrounds. Most of you guys, if you go look at my previous videos, you're going to see what I'm talking about. You'll figure it out if you got font. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. Hold on just a second. So what you want to do is go on PicsArt. Then press the plus sign. Then you want to scroll down. Hold on just a second. My stuff is loading a little bit slow today. Then what you want to do is scroll all the way down. I don't see. Oh wait, is this it? No. Where is it? I'm so confused right now. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Let me try it again. Okay, yeah, I think we got it now. So what you want to do is scroll all the way down till you see color backgrounds, and the first thing that pops up at the front of the first one in the row where all these colors right here, what you want to do is press on this transparent background by the white, and then what you want to do is save it. So all you have to do is just save it, and then that's literally it. Like I told you, it was that easy. And then you want to save it on your device, and then you want to get back on Fonto, and then what you want to do is press on that transparent background that you just got off of PicsArt and press done, and then press add text. So I'm going to show you guys the font that you're going to be needing. So the font you're going to be needing is Taken by Vultures. Do not type in Taken by Vultures demo, because I had a hard time finding this as well. So just type in Taken by Vultures. So I'm going to teach you guys how to do it. And the other font you're going to need is Akira Expanded. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to get that. So we're going to go on dafont.com. This is one of my favorite apps. I use dafont.com for all my fonts that I need for my intros and edits and everything I need. And yeah, so first font we're going to type in is Akira Expanded. Press search, and then you should see it right here. It just says Akira. So what you want to do is press download, and then what you want to do is press download again and press on this. You see this blue button that's keep on blinking right here, and then you want to press on downloads, and then you want to press on Akira Expanded, and then what you want to do is type in Akira. And then what you want to do is press on your Akira Expanded that you just downloaded and press share. So what you want to do is hold the file and then press share. And then it should pop up something like this. And then you want to press on Fonto. And then, so we'll have to do it again because it didn't work. But that's fine. Things happen. Share. Fonto. And I already have mine installed, but when you get to this type of page, you want to press install, and then you should have it. And now we're going to show you how to get the other font that we're going to be needing, which is one of my favorites right now. So yeah, let's get back on Safari. And the next one you're going to be needing is the Taken by Vultures font. This is one of my favorites. I literally used this for my intro today that I made, so go check that out on my Instagram. Taken by Vultures. This is what it's supposed to look like. And press search. Wait. I don't think I typed that in right. Is that right? I don't think that's right. It's forever to do. Hold on, let me go see what it's called again, because I think I got it wrong. Taken by Vultures. That's what it's called. Taken by Vultures demo. Taken by Vultures demo. Is that what it's called? am so confused right now. Like, I am so confused. Like, it was literally working. Oh my goodness, guys. Well, this is not working right now. So we're gonna have to refresh this page because it's not working. I don't know why it's not working. It's really not working, guys. Taking by voucher. I didn't say taking the vouchers. I said taking by voucher. Okay, we have it. I think we misspelled it wrong. So yeah, what you want to do is type in taken by vouchers, and then yeah, it should pop up something like this, and then press download, and then press download again, downloads, and press on that. So then type in taken, and then what you want to do is hold on it, and then press share and Fonto. Okay, we'll have to do it again. Fonto, share, Fonto. And then it should just pop up something like this, and then you want to install both of these. You want to install this one and this one, and then you should have your fonts. So I'm going to teach you guys how to do this. So what I'm going to do is type in my name because this is one of my business logos I'm making. So what you want to do is type in your business logo name or whatever your logo you're trying to do for someone, or if you're just doing a practice logo, doesn't matter. But I'm going to type in visuals first, visuals right here, and then I'm going to press style. And make mine this color, and then go to stroke and press on the white one, and then make sure it's not showing too much. And it should look something like this for me. And then what you do is duplicate font, and then you want to scroll up until you see Akira. And then what you do is size that down, and then you want to type in by. And then we're going to change the colors for this as well. Okay, and then what you do is press on style, make it white, and make the stroke black. And then it should look something like this, and you want to make this small. So it should look something like this, and then you want to duplicate visuals and type in your name or whatever you're trying to do. My name is Samaya, by the way, if you didn't know. If you're new to this channel, my name is Samaya. And yeah, let's see. Hold on just a second. The name is like showing too much. Okay. So this is what it looks like, but I feel like, no, showing too much or not. I think I'm gonna need like we're gonna get a shadow as well, you guys, because I don't know. But I'm gonna need a shadow. Make sure the shadow is black. Okay, so it should look something like this, and then what you want to do is press on this button right here, and then scroll all the way down till you see save image as PNG, and then what you want to do is get off of here and get on PicsArt. So I told you this is going to be really easy. Oops, okay. Press done, press the plus sign at the bottom, scroll all the way down until you find a black background. So yeah, this one right here, and then press on sticker, and then type in dust, and then scroll down until you see this dust effect right here. It's by that purple one, and then you want to like zoom it in like this, and then press apply, and then what you want to do is press add photo, and then you want to add those fonts that you just downloaded off of Fonto. And then it should look something like this. And then what you're going to do is press on sticker and type in iPhone. Just type in phone, doesn't matter. And then you're going to scroll down until you find this pink phone right here. Again, you don't have to do what I'm doing. It doesn't matter. I just really like this so much. It's so cute to me. And this is what it should look like, guys. And that is basically it for how to make a logo. We're going to download it. And then I'm going to show you guys the whole thing. So I'm going to get on photos. Recent, and this is the logo that we just made. So yeah, you guys, that's literally it. I told you guys it was a really simple, easy business logo. I loved it so much. Like, I am in love with this so much, and I love it so much. And yeah, you guys, and yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video, and comment down below what other videos you want to see. And yeah, you guys, and don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. And once again, all my social medias are @visuals by Samaya on TikTok and Instagram if you want to see any of my posts. So I'm gonna leave that in the description below.